Want to build wealth consistently without thinking about it? If setting up automatic investments seems complicated, you're not alone. Today, we're creating automatic contributions at Charles Schwab. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Automatic contributions pull money from your bank account regularly and invest it according to your instructions, harnessing dollar cost averaging. Step 1. Navigate to automatic investing. In your Schwab account, go to Accounts, then Account Services. Find Automatic Investing and select Set up a new plan. Step 2. Configure your plan. Choose the source, your linked bank account, destination, your Schwab account, amount, frequency, and investment. You can automatically buy specific stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds on a recurring schedule. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: schedule contributions right after payday. Set your automatic transfers to occur a day or two after your paycheck deposits. This makes investing a non-negotiable part of your budget, which is the key to long-term wealth building. So, just like that, you're building your future on autopilot. Automatic investing goes a long way in removing emotion and inconsistency from your strategy. Now I'm curious, are you a set it and forget it investor, or do you prefer making manual investment decisions? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.